So question number 49 to is at a time in work question. So yet this is Janki can complete a work in 6 days. 6 days and Janki and Swati. Janki plus Swati ki mani na koribo pare complete the work in 3 by 7. Mani hoise kiman 724. Yare LCM kiman hobo 24. So yare korile divide kole 4 aru yare korile 7 labo. So Jankir jodi efficiency 4 hoy tete hale Swati efficiency hobo kima 7 minus 4 3. Eta question ki koise in how many days Swati can complete the work. So Swati kiman dina koribo paribo 24 by 3 mane 8 days of. So 8 days hobo. Next question to koise a car speed is 20 km less than that of a bus. Mane busor jodi ami x plus 20 lo tente car kiman hobo x hobo. And bus can cover 300 km in 5 hours. So busor speed hobo kiman 60 jodi hoy jay busor hoy gol tete hale car kiman hobo 40. So in how many hours will it take for the car to cover a distance of 200 km? So 200 km kor time lagibo 200 by 40 hobo 5 hours. So next question is a and b are two integers whose product is, so question number a into b dia hoise 5 less than 23. So 23 minus 5 korle kiman pam 18 pam and a is half of b mane a is half of b mane b hoise b is equal to twice a. So yate jodi ami put koru kiman pam b jodi twice hoy jay mane a into b kiman hobo twice a square is equal to 18 hoy jabo. A value pam ami 3. So ki koise find the value of b. So b value kiman twice a mane 6 hobo equal to 6 hobo.